Hey, YouTube, welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. My son got this. It was kind of clearance for one of the brand. So he bought it at a pretty good price, I guess, and he could resell this. So yeah, anyway, let's go ahead and take this out. I don't even know what this is, so let's go ahead and check it out. Some of this package was supposed to deliver by UPS, but it was delivered by USPS, so I'm not sure. Maybe they have some kind of a contract with each other for a smaller package. Noah got their sticker. Still feel kind of warm. Three of the beanies is pretty good. Actually, it's thicker than the Supreme. Feels like it. And three of the hats. So here are the items number and then the descriptions. So this one's the tricolor core logo beanie. Burgundy, green and burgundy, and there's some of the navy blue line. Also, this must be the old desk stock. It says fall winter 19. This is what it look like on the back. And then they got their own branding tag right here. Wow, 100% acrylic, and it is made in Canada. And then here's the register number. So here's another one. Then another one. It's three of them. So this one's the suede checker hat, navy color. Yeah, you can see the suede on this thing. And then this is an embroidery on there. Checker. And then here's your legit sticker right here. Alright. And then they got their own label right here. Wow. And this is made in USA. And then this one is the half tone tartan 6 panel. blue combo. Wow, pretty nice. Got the yellow stripe and then red, gray, and then you got the leather strap. And again, it is made in USA. And then this is a snap-on type. So this one has the canvas core logo hat, light royal color. Well, so the stitching is blue on blue, so it's kind of hard to see. They should put this the embroidery on white instead, or white with the red because of their logo. And then this one's a strap type. Made in USA again. And then Noah brand. Then you can remove the strap to adjust it. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace.